Hello everyone, welcome to my channel It's Web Studios. Today I will explain the WordPress file structure and give you a tour of the WordPress dashboard. If you are new to WordPress, this video very help you to understand how things works and behind the scene. So let's get started. First of all, you need to download the latest version of the WordPress from wordpress.org site. I have already downloaded the zip file, so again I will not download the zip file. Now extract the zip file and place all files and folder inside the root folder of your hosting. I am working in localhost, so I will put all these files and folder inside htdocs folder. There are total 3 folders: wp-admin, wp-content and wp-includes. First folder is wp-admin. This folder contains all the files that power the WordPress admin dashboard. Whenever you log into your WordPress website, for example, your website name /wp-admin, the file here make it work. Now next folder is wp-content. This is the most important folder for us as a users. It stores all your theme, plugin and media upload file. Any customization, whatever you make it to your website, that will be stored here. Now next folder is wp-includes. This folder contains the core WordPress files and libraries. It's like the engine of your WordPress website. Usually we don't touch this folder, wp-includes and wp-admin. Now next, wp-config.php file. Now you just rename this file as a wp-config.php. This is one of the most important file. It contains your database connection details, security keys and other important settings. Now write the database name, database username and database password. I am working in local server, so by default my database username will be root and password is blank. Now save the file and go to the browser and type http://localhost/phpMyAdmin. I forgot to start the XAMPP server, so first start the server. Now create the database. Database name should be the same whatever you have given in the wp-config file. Now configure your WordPress site. Select the language, give site title, username, password and email ID. Your password should be strong so no one can hack your site. Now let's move inside WordPress Dashboard. This is the control panel of your WordPress website. First one is Dashboard Home. Here you will see a welcome message, site health status, recently activity and quick draft option. That all these options you can drag and drop. Now first is post. This is where you create and manage your blog post. You can add categories, tags and organize your content. Now we are going to create a new post. Give your post title, name and content and set featured image. Now our post is ready. This is category, so you can filter your blog post by category or tags. Now next menu is media. All your images, videos and documents are stored here in the media library, and you can see these images in upload folder, and it will be stored by month and year wise. Now next menu is pages. Here you can create static pages like about, contact or services. Now I am going to create a contact page. The method is similar to creating a post. For example, let's create contact page. This is Gutenberg blog. So easily you can manage your content and design your page easily by simple drag and drop. Now next menu is comments. This section allows you to manage your comment on your post. If someone leave a comment on your post, then it will appear here and you can approve or disapprove it. It's your choice. Now next menu is appearance. In this menu, you can manage your theme, widget, and menus to design your site. Here you can see all free themes like news themes, e-commerce themes. You can install it any themes, and if you have purchased any premium theme, then also you can upload that premium theme. Now next menu is plugins. Plugin add extra features to your website. For example, contact form, SEO tools, or e-commerce features. There are two plugins already installed in your WordPress project, but if you want any extra functionality like you want to create a contact form, then there are so many plugins like contact form 7, WP forms, Forminator form, Fluent forms, Gravity forms, and Ninja forms. And if you want some SEO features, then there are many plugins like Rank Math, Yoast SEO, All-in-One SEO, SEO Press. All these plugins are SEO related. These plugins are security related, so you can secure your WordPress website. Now next menu is users. You can add new users and assign them roles like administrator, editor, author, or subscriber. Now tools. This section is important export option and site management tools. Site health. Here WordPress check your website for performance and security issue. It give you a status like good or should be improved. Here one problem that is telling one module is missing, that is GD module. For that you need to configure your php.ini file and search for GD. Just remove the semicolon and save the file now. Refresh the page. See, error is solved. Theme file editor. Here you can customize your code in your theme. Same thing is for plugin file editor. Here also you can customize your code for any plugins. Now settings. This is the backbone of your site configuration. From here you can control your site title, time zone, reading setting, permalink structure and more. New user default role subscriber means if any user register in your site, then it will set as a subscriber role. You can choose your language. Reading. Here you can set your home page and blog page, and also how many posts want to show in your blog page. When you are going to create a page, then you can see some default preview pattern, so you can insert it directly into your content section and manage the contents. Discussion menu. This section control your comments, means you want to allow or not to comment for your post. Media. When you upload an image, WordPress automatically create a multiple version of it in different size. Permalink structure. Permalink defines the structure of your website's URL. In other words, how your page and post link will look. Now you know both the WordPress file structure and the dashboard. This knowledge will help you to manage your WordPress better. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more WordPress tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.